Yorubonin yung sa'yo. Guys, ito na yung part 6 ng mga vocabulary na memorize ko dati nung ako'y nag-exam pa lang. Tusugwan, library. Tomidwida, to be of help. Tuchakada, to arrive. Tuhuchong, provincial government building. Tuksuhada, to read. Ton, yungom, money. Tunkaso, pork cutlet. Turagada, to return. To go back. Turagasida, to pass away. Turauda, to return. To come back. Tunggol, give. Tumulyo, animals. Tungjak, actions. Tungjon, Cohen. Tungtimoro, Estimor. Twinchangzike, Ben Pes Stow. Tue, Bag. Turama Chwalyumche, film K-drama shooting locations. Turida, to give. Turugada, to enter. To go in. Turuuda, to come in. Tunggi Opyon, registered mail. Tungsan, Tunghoe, hiking club. Tungsanhada, to hike. Tatuthada, warm. Tarahada, to repeat after. Tal, tutor. Tudulda, to make noise. Tukboke, tukboke. Tuktukhada, to be smart. Internet cafe, internet cafe. Internet banking, internet banking. Elgwa, daily routine. Elban opyon, standard meal. Elshik, Japanese food. Irunada, to get up. Elwol, January. Irulguhada, to find a job. Irimanda, to have a lot of work. Irichukta, to have not much work. Elchong, schedule. Irada, to work. Mouth. Ipgumhada, to deposit. Itda, to have. Chagyukchong, certificate. Chada, to sleep. Chadungcha, car. Chariga upta, seats are not available. Chariga ipta, seats are available. Charirul yang buhada, to offer one seat to someone else. Charirul chachihada, to take space. Chawon bungsarulhada, to volunteer. Chachangmyon, black bean sauce noodles. Chachungurultada, to bike. Chajo, often. Changyon, last year. Chanik Choi, balance inquiry. Chamba, jacket. Chapsusida, dusida, to eat.